Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Let's talk about RGTI, Rigetti Computing, Rigetti Stock. You guys know I love this one under 10. I've been telling you this is your final chance here. Soundhound under 10. Now it's at 11. Rigetti was at what? Almost 12. Dumped on earnings, but I think we knew that was going to dump. It's never had an earnings where it pumps huge. So we knew it was just kind of either going nowhere or it was going to fall. And as you can see, buyers are stepping in. Buyers love it. So, we knew this. And we also knew that it was a buy under 10. So it's not a buy here. You should have been accumulating it when it was cheap under 10. It was like there was so much opportunity to buy under 10. And I'll never understand people who reach out to me and go, hey, is it a buy here at 12? Like what? Like, wait a minute. What? This was a buy under 10. Not. I never said buy. Hey, guys, buy now at 10.60. Buy at 12, guys. That's what. Don't buy here at 10.60. Don't buy under 10. Buy at 20. Like, that's just ridiculous. That's ridiculous. I can't believe people like that. Like, I've been pounding the table on 10 and under for this. Now you want to buy it at 12. You want to buy it when it's like 20 to 40% more expensive. That doesn't make sense. The whole point of this channel is to buy discounts, which is why you use the purple line as that measuring stick, that line in the sand. Like, oh, it's down here at the purple line. Buy. Woo! Look at that. The people that bought down there at 7, you know, they're like, damn, it was this easy. Did I buy Rigetti myself? No, I was buying other stocks because when Rigetti was down there nice and cheap, a bunch of other stocks were also like the market was at a huge discount. And now we're pumping. And I'm not going to say it's a bull run just yet, but it's starting to smell like a bull run. You know, we just keep going higher and higher. That's indicative of a bull run. When stocks just keep going higher. It's almost hard to lose because they keep going up. That's what we're experiencing here. I have a guy in my Discord who keeps trying to short. He keeps trying to short stocks, and I'm like, bro, you got to be able to recognize when the market conditions have changed. Like, I recognized that like a week ago. Okay, that's a lie, like 2 weeks ago. Like, I was like, wait a minute, we're just going higher. Like, Bitcoin is just rocketing. There's no, sellers just have no strength anymore. We just keep going up. And so this guy's like over here shorting. I'm like, bro, why are you shorting? Like, this is... I'm not going to call it a bull market just yet, but it's behaving like one. You know, if it acts like one, behaves like one, looks like one, it probably is one. So why would you be shorting? At this point, you should be going long. And this is like your final chance. Like, literally, it's your last chance here to get in on your favorite stocks nice and cheap. Because once we actually start the bull run, this is nothing. This is just a taste of the bull run. Once we start trending for real, we're going to see stocks... We're going to see stocks surging like this. Just look at this. We're going to see this again. We're going to see this again. We're just going to see these big surges across the markets. We're going to see huge pumps. And people are going to be kicking themselves for not buying when it was cheap. So even NVIDIA right now, it's right at the purple line. Like, this is your last chance to buy because once it starts running away from you... Good luck. Good luck. So, Rigetti, I'm telling you right now, if you can get it under 10, if you can scoop them under 10, scoop them under 10. But if it doesn't come down there, it's not time to chase. But if you want, that's on you. But just know there's people that bought cheaper than you, and they're just gonna dump it on your head. They're gonna dump it on your head and laugh. Like, oh, look at this idiot buying, when it was, all the way up here somewhere. Also, be careful. This one's very risky. I mean, look at this drop here, right? So, let's look at the actual earnings here. RGTI earnings. Yeah, negative EPS, it missed. No, again, did anyone expect anything different? They expected 2.55 million in revenue. Actual revenue 1.47 million. Okay, let me look at RGTI trading view, specifically the I need the financials. Again, what makes it risky is the fact that, let me see, it doesn't really have the financials behind it. Like, it's no Nvidia, it's no Apple. That's why it's down here at $10. So when you're buying, you're really buying. You're placing a big bet. You're placing a bet and saying, I believe this is going to be worth as much as 100 plus. So I'm buying right now in anticipation of that. But if you do look at the revenues have been going sideways. Look at that, 8.2 million in 2021, 13 million in 2022, then 12 million in 2023. 2024, 10.79 million. So for what, 4 years they've done pretty much nothing. Like, if your friend opened up a hot dog stand and it just keeps making the same amount every year, I mean, that's not what you want. You want to see his business continue to make more and more money every year. Like, it goes from hot dog stand to hot dog stands, and he's just making hand over fist money. He's no longer making 8 million. The next year he's making 13, then 20, and then 40 million. And next thing you know, he's getting contracts with stadiums or whatever the case may be. The U.S. Army, for some reason, is hiring your friend's hot dog stand. I don't know why we're feeding the Army hot dogs, but you get the point. That's what you want to see. You want to see growth. That's not what's happening with this stock, which is what makes it super risky. Look at its net income, negative 200 million. Imagine running a business and you're down negative. You're down. That's a lot. Negative 200 million. Super speculative. Super risky. So just know what you're holding. Like, you're actually holding something very risky. In no way, shape, or form am I going to lie to you and tell you, hey, it's not risky at all. It's actually a long-term winner. No. It's quite the bet. It's quite the bet you're placing. And if it works out, more power to you. But I believe that if you want to make a lot of money in the markets, the best way to go is to get something safe and then place a smaller bet on this, right? If you got 20K, put 15K of that into something safe like Nvidia or maybe not Apple, Nvidia or one of these ETFs here, or even Palantir. And then the other 5K, place that bet here. Make that the small bet, right? Too many people do the opposite. Let me place the big bet here. All 20K in on RIGETTI. Either I lose it all or I make a lot. No. You can still make quite a bit anyways. If this goes 10x, 5K times 10, that's 50K. But, so yeah, I just want to point out, it's still a risky bet. Some of you have shown me your portfolio, and I'm like, you're holding like nothing safe. It's nothing but risky bets, and if those don't work out, you're about to get destroyed. So, either way, you guys know, if you've been buying under 10, you got nothing to worry about at that point. Right now, any sucker who chases, let them chase. Let them be your liquidity and dump it on their heads. That's it.